My name is Palaniappan Natarajan, Chief Manager for Tamil Nadu Operations in Hemant Tools. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. This is the high RPM spindle which runs from 0 to 60,000 RPM. It is a through-coolant spindle and battery operator. The battery will run for 8 hours. Once the battery is drained, you can interchange the new battery and also you can charge the battery in 1 hour. In 1 hour, it will ready for 8 hours running operation. This spindle is produced 1 micron accuracy, very ideal for to use with dyne mold, mini drilling and miniature tools which can be utilized. And also when RPM is high, your feed rate also can be very high. So your productivity will improve without investing on the high RPM machines. 70 years old company located in Mumbai. We are dealing with multiple brands and we are authorized for Mitudoyo and Tangalai. Apart from this, we have an exclusive innovative products all in hand. Whichever is needed for the machine shop, they have a complete solution. We are the only one providing the complete solution to the machine tool industry.